Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about Doodly. Doodly is a popular software tool that allows users to create engaging and captivating doodle videos. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of pre-designed character props and backgrounds, Doodly can make it easy for anyone regardless of their artistic skills to produce high quality animated video. So how to join? You head to this website voomly.com/doodly, click on try Doodly. This will be direct you to this pricing list where you have to try Doodly for I think some days. So let's go back. Here we have Doodly. Our mission with Doodly is simple: to make fun and easy for regular people with little to no video training to create amazing professional doodle video in a matter of time. To achieve that, we add here to our core formally values: improve performance. We have differential, act with integrity, don't stop innovation, deliver value, be responsive, build an A team or an alpha. So you can order now. We have the standard plan and the enterprise plan. So you can choose manually or monthly. Monthly or annually. So you can try it for free every plan you choose, but you will have to answer your credit card before trying. This is the thing that I'm not doing for now. Sorry, I didn't mean to go back this. So Doodly requests. This is the home login page, I think, for Doodly. Create an account. Thank you for your interest in the future products. We are currently don't accept new registration. Okay, this is why. So yeah, one of the standout features of Doodly is its vast collection of customizable doodle elements. Users can choose from a wide range of characters, objects, and text options and easily drag drop them into the canvas. The ability to customize these elements, such as adjusting their size, position, and colors, gives the users freedom to create unique and personalized videos that suit their specific needs. The software also offers a variety of hand styles, allowing users to select different drawing hands to enhance the visual appeal to their videos. This feature adds a touch of authenticity and creativity to the doodle animations, makes them more engaging and entertaining. So Doodle provides a straightforward timeline-based editor, enabling users to easily manage and arrange the sequence of their noodle drawing. The intuitive interface makes it simple to add, delete, or adjust the timing of each element, ensuring smooth transition and seamless storytelling. So the website is good, plus Voomly Clouds is jam-packed with Angry. The website is good and it helps design and draw and create. It has templates to start with, and yeah, you can't access to Doodly. I don't think there is a doodly.com website. You can just order now a Doodly for here. You need to enter your first name, last name, email address, apartment, city, postal code, country. I don't think they have my country. They do. And the where are you now? In the here. Yes. And you enter the card number. Why it isn't autofilling this? Yeah. So order summary free for 14 days, then just $49 per month. Voomly Cloud, including Doodly Voomly Cloud. So this is how to join and to create the account and to use Doodly. So Doodly is 49 and you will get also the Voomly Cloud, Voomly, Toonly, People Builder. What? Oh, it's meant for characters. Tolkia and Pikes. So while Doodly offers a great set of features, it's important to note that it does have some limitations. Advanced customization option might be limited compared to more complex animation software, and user looking for highly and intricate and detailed animation may find its available options somehow limited. But if you use your brain for a second, you can choose to get the drawing from somewhere else and upload it to Doodly and use it. So, yeah, what is this? Okay, HD format and SD format. SD, I mean, not HD. So, Doodly is the perfect choice for YouTube marketer, teaching and trainer for Excel. What is this pixel? Just kidding, PowerPoint. Facebook advertising, sales videos, or creating fun and inspiring videos and hundreds of additional users. So those are some examples. Whiteboard for children. Children are gifts. Okay. It's about children. So Doodly can help you create, design, draw. Doodly is more than just a software. It's also a community of like-minded creative looking to make the world a better place, a happier place. So this is a community on Doodly. It's on Facebook, right? Yes, when you search for Doodly. So easy, a 7-year-old can use it and I can't. Yeah, a 7-year-old have a payment method. I don't. Have a card. I don't. So in conclusion, Doodly is a fantastic tool for creating captive doodle videos without the need for advanced artistic skills. It's a user-friendly interface, extensive library of customizable elements, and intuitive editing capabilities makes it popular choice for individuals and businesses alike. Whether you are creating explainer videos, educational content, or marketing materials, Doodly empowers users to bring their ideas to life in a fun and engaging way. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.